Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find Wishlist on AliExpress. Keep watching the video till the end. To find Wishlist on AliExpress, firstly go ahead and open up your AliExpress application. The home page of AliExpress application will appear on the screen. Tap on an account button at the bottom of the page. On the next page, scroll down and you can see your AliExpress wishlist right next to history option. The products you have added to wishlist will appear on the wishlist section. This is how you can find wishlist on AliExpress application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.